In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download and install Notion on a Mac. If you want a clean and easy way to organize your notes, tasks, projects, and databases, Notion is a great tool to have on your computer. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through the full process of getting it installed on your Mac and opening it for the first time so you can start using it right away. Begin by opening your preferred web browser on your Mac. This could be Safari, Chrome, or any other browser you normally use. Once your browser is open, go to the official Notion website. Make sure you're using the official site so you download the correct and most up-to-date version of the app. When you arrive on the website, look for the option to download Notion for Mac. Click the download button and wait for the installer file to finish downloading. Depending on your internet speed and browser settings, this may take just a few seconds or a little longer. If you're not sure where the file went, check your downloads folder, since that's where it usually appears by default. Next, open the downloaded installer file. On a Mac, this will typically launch a window showing the Notion app icon and your applications folder. This is the standard installation method for many Mac apps, and it's very simple to complete. Now, move Notion into your applications folder. Usually, this means dragging the Notion icon directly onto the applications folder icon in the installer window. This step installs the app on your Mac and places it in the usual location where your applications are stored. Wait a moment for the copy process to finish before moving on. After that, open Notion from your applications folder or through Launchpad, whichever is easier for you. The first time you launch it, macOS may take a moment to verify the app before opening. That's completely normal. Once Notion opens, sign into your account, enter your login details on the sign-in screen, and continue into the app. If you already use Notion on another device, this will bring your workspace and content into the desktop app. From there, you're ready to start creating pages, writing notes, managing tasks, or building databases. The desktop app gives you a more focused workspace and quick access from your Mac whenever you need it. That's it. You've successfully downloaded, installed, and opened Notion on your Mac, and now you can begin organizing your work and ideas more efficiently. Or